Hi everyone, I'm Shaukat from Kerala. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I hope you have a happy day today. In my last video, I introduced in front of you about my native hometown, native place. Today, I want introduce in front of you my Kochi memories because after completed my 10th class education, I couldn't continue my study because my family was facing at that time big financial problems. So I had to save my family at that time. So at that time, I discussed the problem with my friends. That time, they suggested me you have to search a job. Then at that time, I asked them what kind of job I can search. That time, they told me if you learn a skill, it would be very better for you. Then they told in our surrounding area, so many bag manufacturing companies available. You can search a job there. Then I went to bag company and I got a chance from bag company and I started to work there. Within 2 years, I learned bag manufacturing work complete from my native place. Then at that time, I had another problem because I got very low salary. Then I discussed this problem also with my friends. That time, my few friends they were working in Kochi. Then they told me if you come to Kochi, you would get more salary. Then I went to Kochi, and I got a chance from bag manufacturing company, a Kannur person company, and I started to do job in his company. And when I was working at Kochi, I liked very much Kochi because Kochi is a biggest city in Kerala, and you can enjoy Kochi so much because so many tourist places located in Kochi. Two beaches located in Kochi. One is Fort Kochi Beach. Another one is Charai Beach. If you want to visit Fort Kochi Beach, you get boat ticket from um, Marine Drive jetty to Fort Kochi, and you can travel by boat. And if you and Fort Kochi beach is very big beach, so all country people also visit Fort Kochi. It's a very good tourist place. And another one is Charai Beach. If you want to visit Charai Beach is some far away from Kochi. You get a bus from Kochi to from Ernakulam to Charai, and Charai Beach is also big beach. There also all types of people visit there. There also other countries people, other states people also visit Charai Beach. So we are English learners. If we want to get a chance to speak with English native people, definitely you get a chance to speak with native people from Fort Kochi Beach and Charai Beach. And another important tourist destination is Tripunithura Hill Palace. Tripunithura Hill Palace is a old hill palace. There is zoo also, small zoo also available. There are some wild animals also we can see from Tripunithura Hill Palace. And another matter in Kerala, complete districts people they run business in Kochi. They do jobs in Kochi. Especially, I think comparing with other districts, Kannur people they have more business, different types of business in Kochi, and they so many Kannur districts people they settled in Kochi, and so many people they do job in Kochi, and all types of people can easily live in Kochi because ordinary people can live Kochi because ordinary food also you get from Kochi, and rich people they can also live in Kochi. Very expensive food also you get from Kochi. And a few years ago, Yusuf Ali started Lulu Mall in Kochi. So recently, if the people visit Kochi that time, people like to visit Lulu Mall also. It's also a important tourist destination now. We can understand. And Kochi people behavior, they are very, very good people. They welcome, they welcoming all types of people, and they behave all the people with very kindly, helping each other, supporting each other. We can understand that. And I have very strong connection with Kochi, because recently also, when I get chance to visit Kochi, I visit Kochi, and then I enjoy. I don't know. I worked in Kerala several area, but I have very deep connection with Kochi, because Kochi very beauty city also. So if you get chance to visit Kochi, you have to visit Kochi. You can enjoy so much. And another matter, I had been working in Kochi for 5 years. This long time I enjoyed so much. And another matter, there Kannur people, they have so many hotels. They prepare different types of delicious food you can enjoy from Kochi. Comparing with the other districts people, Kannur people can prepare very delicious food. They prepare biryani, they prepare ghee rice and other oil patties, everything very tasty. So if you visit Kochi, you can enjoy Talaseri, Kuthuparambhu, this kind of Kannur people food you can enjoy. You definitely you will like it. I think that. And in our teacher, or we know our teacher is very famous, Josman sir. His native place is also in Kochi. So if you want to visit him, you can visit Josman sir also if you visit Kochi. And I explained a little about Kochi. I had been working in Kochi for 5 years. Okay, you can also, if you visit any city or any mountain area, hill area, or beach area, you can also elaborate this manner everything in English. Because when you elaborate everything in English, only then you can improve your English skill. I have been keeping this strategy for a long time. That's why if I visit any area, that time also I think in English everything. So that's why it's very good practice method. You can also follow the same method. Why I elaborate, describe this kind of matter in front of you? Maybe you will get some help sentences from my video. That's why, and I also want to improve my skill. If I describe everything in English in front of you, my confidence level also will increase. That also my purpose. Okay, I explained little about this matter. We will meet again in my next video. Thank you so much. We will meet again. Bye.